Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore some of the biggest mysteries of space that even science still cannot fully explain. Our universe is so massive that humans have only discovered a tiny part of it. From black holes and dark matter to aliens and strange signals from space, there are many secrets that continue to shock scientists around the world. So watch this video till the end because today's facts might completely change the way you think about the universe. 1. The mystery of dark matter. Scientists believe that most of the universe is made of something called dark matter, but nobody has ever seen it directly. It cannot be seen with human eyes or telescopes, yet its gravity affects galaxies and stars. The biggest mystery is that science still does not know what dark matter actually is. 2. Black holes. Black holes are one of the most dangerous and mysterious objects in space. Their gravity is so powerful that even light cannot escape from them. Scientists still do not fully understand what happens inside a black hole. Some theories even suggest they could be gateways to another universe. 3. Are aliens real? There are billions of galaxies in the universe, and each galaxy contains billions of stars. So the question is, are humans really alone? Scientists have received strange signals from space that still cannot be explained. The possibility of alien life remains one of the greatest mysteries of all time. 4. The WOW signal. In 1977, scientists detected a strange radio signal coming from space. It was so unusual that one scientist wrote the word WOW next to the signal on paper. Since then, the signal has become famous as the WOW signal, and nobody knows who or what sent it. 5. Dark energy. The universe is not only expanding, but it is expanding faster and faster. Scientists believe an unknown force called dark energy is responsible for this expansion. However, science still has no clear idea what dark energy really is. 6. Was there life on Mars? Scientists have discovered evidence of water on Mars, and where there is water, life may exist. Some experts believe that Mars may once have supported life millions of years ago. Future missions are trying to uncover the truth. 7. How will the universe end? Will the universe last forever, or will everything eventually disappear? Some scientists believe all stars will one day burn out, leaving the universe dark and cold. Others think the universe may collapse back into itself. The true answer is still unknown. 8. Neutron stars. Neutron stars are among the heaviest objects in the universe. Just one spoonful of neutron star material could weigh billions of tons on Earth. Scientists are still trying to understand how these incredible objects work. 9. Is time travel possible? According to Einstein's theories, time travel may be possible in certain situations. But in reality, science still cannot fully explain whether humans could ever travel through time. 10. How big is the universe? One of the biggest mysteries is the true size of the universe. Scientists still do not know whether the universe is finite or infinite. The answer may remain unknown for many years. Space is full of mysteries that continue to amaze humanity. The more science discovers, the more questions appear. Perhaps one day humans will uncover the truth behind these incredible secrets, but for now, the universe remains one of the greatest mysteries ever known. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.